Hello everyone, and we're live with our YouTube Q&A session with Bitsgap. Today we have as our guest Yegor, the company's customer support team lead. Welcome, Yegor.
Hey, hey.
Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope to know more about the best crypto trading bots, algorithmic orders, portfolio management, and other tools. So, how it's going to be? Our Q&A session will consist of two parts. During the first part, Yegor will share the platform's functionality, its main features, and share the secrets about trading bots. After that, we'll move on to the second part, and our guest will give us answers to the most exciting questions which we received from the community in Google Forms. I would like to remind you that authors of these questions will receive a 1-month subscription to Bitsgap. So let's get it started. Now I believe it's time to give the floor to Igor. We're so excited to know more about Bitsgap and its functionality.
Alrighty, thanks, Polina. And hello, everyone. Hope you're doing great. Let me show you guys a small presentation. I'm going to present our platform Bitsgap for you. And let me begin with a short explanation of who we are and what we do. Well, first of all, Bitsgap is a platform for automated crypto trading. So simply saying, we offer several very effective and easy to use tools that would help you save time and effort by automating your trading. At the moment, we do support, I believe, 15 popular exchanges, including Whitebit, with over 1,000 coin pairs at your disposal to trade with. Um, so creating an account with Bitsgap is very fast and absolutely free. All you need is your email, I suppose. Yes. Connecting an exchange, for example, Whitebit, also shouldn't be an issue. All you have to do is open My Exchanges tab, add new exchange, choose an exchange you want to add, and follow the guide from here. So if you don't know what to do, if you don't know how to create an API key, if you don't know where to get all this data, just follow the guide. This is an article made just for your exchange, which you choose. And if you follow it step by step, it should be no problem to connect an exchange, and it will take you only a couple minutes, right? Once you connect it, once you're done with it, you can go and check the bots that we offer for our customers. Let me share what it is. So we do have 4 bots. We do offer 4 bots at the moment. All have different purposes, all work in a different way and use different strategies. Gridbot is a bot for a sideways market. So when the price doesn't really move up or down, when there is no real trend, for example, like it was happening for the past couple of weeks, right? This bot is great to catch every small movement on the market. So it maximizes your profit while everybody else is waiting for something to happen. With this bot, you don't have to wait. You simply start it. You cover some, let's say, price range. And within this price range, this bot will catch every small movement of the price, making you profit with every sell. Right? There's also DCA bot. DCA bot is a dollar cost average bot, so it uses a dollar cost average strategy as its base. In this bot, all you have to do is to choose if it would work long or short. So you either hope for a bull run or you do think the market will fall. In that case, you choose a short strategy. This bot allows you to follow the trend, but should the price go in the opposite direction, it will help you to average your position. So you will get more coins, or basically sell more coins if it's a short strategy. And in this case, the benefits, the profits that you would get when it actually goes the right way would be even better, even more, right? BuyVD bot is basically an inverse version of our grid bot. So it works with the same strategy, but in absolutely different way. So as you can see here, it works great with sideways market, but BuyVD bot works great when the market is falling down. That's all it needs. We don't want the market to sharply fall down, but we do want to see a trend of it going down. This bot will help you to accumulate more coins on your balance. So once the price actually reverses and goes up, you can sell all of those coins at once, making even much more greater profits, right? This bot also helps people who like to hodl, so people who like to hold their coins for a long time and wait for the price to rise. With this kind of bot, you won't have to just just accumulate more coins by purchasing them. You let the bot use those coins by selling them and buying them, and the bot itself will accumulate more coins from the investment you gave it. We also do have a combo bot. Combo bot is a bot for futures. It works great, yet we do plan to add maybe more features to it or change it completely. It does help you to minimize risks and maximize your profits on the futures market. And minimizing risks is like what we aim for, because futures is a very dangerous place if you don't know what to do. This bot will help you with that. Um, by the end of last year, we practically reworked interface and logic of how our bots should be launched, right? Um, right now, you can launch any bot with just few clicks. Let me show you, actually. I'm going to show it in demo mode, just for the purposes of this showcase. We don't have a white bit exchange here yet as a demo option. So I'm going to show everything with Binance as the most popular one. Yet we might add it at some point later. So for example, I'm going to take a grid bot as an example. With just a couple clicks, so we choose a bot, choose our exchange if we have one connected, or if we have several connected, I should say. We choose a pair, your investment, so however much you want to invest into this bot, and click continue and start a bot. You don't have to do anything else if you don't know what to do. This is already like pre-made, pre-programmed, pre-thought solution for you. So you wouldn't have to worry about much. It would still work. It would still show great results. Yet, if you feel like you could do better, or there should be something changed, or you don't like the settings you're seeing, you can always go to menu adjustment section and adjust all the settings yourself. So you can turn any features on and off. You can change all the numbers, you can change your investment, you can do whatever you want with it. It's all yours. You can play with it as you want. And still, you are the one to choose if you want to follow a default setting or if you have something better in mind, right? Um, so uh, I should also say that our platform, like at the moment, I think we are probably the most secure automated trading platform on the market. We do have, I don't know, it says like 5 steps of security there. We are secure from every corner. We work on it very hard. We have a dedicated department for that. And we, I, I guess I can say that we never had like real problems with security. We were never breached. We were never, I don't know, hacked or something. And so far, we're doing everything in our power to keep your accounts, your data, your assets safe, right? Um, we do offer several plans which you can purchase with us. We work as a subscription service. Uh, so the difference between basic, advanced, and pro plan, if we don't count the features that come with it, right? Uh, the main difference is the amount of bots you could have active at the same time. So depending on your purposes, depending on your assets and I don't know what exactly you want to do with our platform, you can start with either of those. Yet I have to mention that when you register with us for the first 7 days, you get an absolutely free trial where you don't have to pay anything. You don't have to, I don't know, add a credit card to our platform or something like that. No, you just register an account and you can use our platform absolutely free for 7 days as if you were on a pro plan. So after that, the platform will give you some time to decide whether you want to continue with us or if you want to try it more. And yet, if you want to try it more, I beg you to go into demo mode and try everything out, touch it with your own hands, try to play with it, try to understand it. And should something go wrong, here in our help center, you can always find an article on any question you have. And if not, our customer support will help you with anything. I think that's it for me, like as a major part. Uh, and I think we can go to questions.
Great, thank you so much for detailed description. So it's time to move on to the questions from Google Form. So we received a lot of questions, but most of them, of these questions were already answered in the first part of our Q&A. So therefore, I will ask only 5 most interesting questions, and we will publish the answers to the remaining 4 questions in Whitebit Telegram chat. And if you still have any questions about Bitsgap, ask them in our Telegram chat, and Bitsgap will be there to answer them. So don't forget to check our Telegram chat after Q&A session. So the first question, user asked, what is the main mission of your company? Can you share the history of the creation of Bitsgap? What were the hardships and motivation for starting this project?
That's sure. Yes, sure. Thank you for the question, and thanks to the person who actually asked it. Um, it would be easier to show you, I suppose, though I'm not going to do it. Uh, we, I would say the mission of our company is it was and it's still the same. We want to create great product, great automation tools to make it easy and comfortable for our customers to trade. Right. So we want to minimize their risks. We want to minimize the time they spend. We want to lessen the stress we receive from trading, and we want to make sure that we are actually helping people with all of those things when it comes to trading. I wouldn't say like there is a big history to share. We've started in 2016 as a small startup, I suppose, right? We did partner with 6 exchanges within a year, I believe, and already started more and more activities. We are developing year to year. At the moment, uh, if you don't mind me saying, we do provide one of the most comfortable and secure platforms for automated crypto trading. And we've been doing it and we've been developing it for more than 7 years now. And I hope we will continue. I mean, I'm sure we will continue to develop it. Um, I don't think we had any actual struggles on the way. I mean, obviously, we did struggle when the market crashed. Was it like 2 years ago, right? Or 1.5 years ago? We did meet some struggles with it, but we did overcome it. We actually came up with more solutions, more bots, more features on our platform, and it helped us to understand that there is not like we shouldn't focus on the current market. We should actually provide you tools for all kinds of market. That's what we do now. I believe we do have tools for any kind of market situation, and I hope I answered your question.
Great, thank you so much for detailed answers. And here's the second question. So, are there any plans for a mobile application and the Ukrainian language on the website?
That's a bit versatile question. I mean, two absolutely different things, but sure, yes. We do plan a mobile application, yes, in the nearest future. I'm not sure if that's. I wouldn't be able to provide you any like SLA or EST or like when do we want to actually produce it to launch it. But we do plan to do it in the nearest future. We are going to start with Google Play app and then move on. Um, so it should be there. It will be there in the future. At the moment, we do have a very comfortable a, like a web page. So as you can see, our platform is a web page. We do provide a mobile version of that page, so you can always access from your phone, and it would look like a mobile app. You can also install it on your like mobile device as a mobile app. Still, it would open a web page. But in the future, I think we will have an I mean, I don't think, I'm sure we will have a mobile app to make it even more comfortable for our customers. And about the Ukrainian language, we are still thinking about it. There are decisions to make, but I think it is possible. And if many people request it, we will come up with it for sure. Thank you for the question.
Great, thank you. Excellent. And what can you say about this question? Can you tell us the unique innovations and analytical tools Bitsgap brings to the table to make futures trading more flawless?
More flawless. Well, futures trading is you know a hard space to enter. It's not for newbies, I would say for sure. So the easiest answer would be our combo bot, which is a unique combination of DCA and greed strategies. It will allow you to minimize risks and increase profitability, uh, enhance your results. Yet I do believe we are coming up with more in the future. I can't tell you yet what exactly we're going to do with it, but we are planning to expand on the futures market. So if somebody is looking forward to it, sure, go try it on and keep up with the news. Thanks.
Great, that was very interesting. And time for next one. What services does Bitsgap offer except trading bots?
Well, to be fair, I think we don't offer any other services except for trading bots. We do actually aim to improve our tool set of automation tools, right? So we are concentrated on that. Like 100% of our effort and time and all our resources are going into automation tools. We did try several, let's say, branches or uh, yeah, I suppose we did try something else. It didn't work out for us. It didn't work out for our customers. We didn't want to be a jack of all trades. We want it to be a platform that is concentrated on one thing that does it best on the market. So we are, I believe, number one right now in this niche, and we hope to strive and develop even further, right? We don't do anything else. We are not an exchange. We don't have a wallet. We do not. At the moment, we basically do not offer any other services, I believe. And I think that's a good thing. Thank you.
Okay, good to know. Thank you for answering. And let's move on. So, next question. If I'm new to your platform, are there any opportunities to try using trading bots for free? And which bots can you recommend for new, inexperienced users to minimize risks?
Yes, so as I mentioned before, we do have a 7-day trial for you guys. So whoever decides to join us, you don't have to click anything. You don't have to choose anything. Once you're registered, you will receive a 7-day free trial. So you can try absolutely everything we have on the platform on the best plan with basically no limitations except for the limitations presented with this plan. You could also try everything in demo mode. It doesn't require you to risk or to even use your actual real assets. You can do everything you want with our platform for as long as you want. And then if you decide that you want to reset it, you can always go and do it. So right here, you can reset balance on any of your exchanges. So you can start anew, and you can of course try all of our tools, and you can try everything you want with our platform. So sure, you can always do it.
Okay, thank you so much for such detailed questions. It was the last question, Igor. It was very interesting to have you here. And many thanks to everyone who sent us all these amazing questions.
Oh, thank you for inviting me, and thanks to all who did ask questions.
Okay, and I would like to remind you that if you still have any questions about Bitsgap, ask them in our Telegram chat, and Bitsgap team will be there to answer them. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much too. Thanks for invitation, and have a great day.
Okay.